I want to give off good. How much are those? These are for.
These are cute too. Like, oh yeah. These are nice. It's scary though.
These are the ones that turn into vines, Vicky. I'm not gonna be in here all day with these plants because I will. Yeah, we want some house plants.
Yeah.
So hopefully that will make a good house plant. If not, we'll take it outside. Oh, I would take these.
Oh yeah, those are cute.
Yeah.
You gotta get the whole thing.
Oh, there's a bunch. Well,
Like you can't take it unless you wait. No, never mind. This still illegal.
they don't look like they'll fit. The ones we got are good. I'll lay down this. We'll let some grass seed down. This is the house they're building. They built my neighbor's house already. And get all this cleaned up. My dog is buried right here. Should I throw it on there or no?
Hold on.
You in charge. Come shovel this up, boy.
This stuff gotta get like poured out.
But this one should have been done in November. You don't have to do no side, you already did. I don't believe in that. That's a waste of your time. If you did something, it's open.
Sorry, I'm trying to get these. Oh, wait. This one is a little inside. So. Oh, yeah.
Set it against something. When I get back, I will. Hometown food. Look at these are completely. That's not. That's weird. It's raining a little bit out there. And all that. Twice baked potatoes. I clean myself. Very hot, so you have to be careful. You want to cut off the tops if you can. And usually my grandmother used to put them back on. So thankful to the Most High, Almighty God, for sending His Son down. My home is quiet. I think everybody's just chilling out, waiting for me to get done. Just want to remove all that potato from the inside gently. Hollow it out. Plain hot potato, y'all. It's a bigger potato, so it could have cooked a little longer. The bigger they are, I say let them go a little longer. Down to the meat of the potatoes. Everybody is up playing the Xbox or Roblox or something. If those larger potatoes are, whew. But if you have to leave it in there, just hollow out as much as you can, because you're gonna bake them again. You can fill it up with as much. At our first meal at our new table. Mine too growing up. Dang. Sometimes that flash do something to me. I don't really need it. Perfect day to put down this seed.
Oh, said we need a fertilizer. It smells like fertilizer already.
Really?
Yeah.
Praying.